Hello, welcome back to the channel. Set number 5 of playing with accuracy with my screwdrivers. So top 4 corner, so top 4 square, and then middle dot. And then now for the dot. First try. Let's have a quick close-up. So that's in. That's if I pull it out. No, actually just touching the mark is just touching the paint. That's definitely in. That's in. And that one's nowhere near. It's like at least a 10mm gap. So yeah, overall it's very close. So almost worthy of posting. Thanks for watching.